Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you replace your mass airflow sensor if you have a reading about the air and the mass air. And this is where your mass airflow sensor is right here on top of the air cleaner box. This is the air cleaner box, and inside here is your air filter. So the sensor, you would just squeeze this clip to unhook it. And then you got two Phillips screws right here to undo. And then you just wiggle it and pop it up and out. And the reason you got to wiggle, you've got this, so there's an O-ring there that is stuck in there a little bit. So this is a mass airflow sensor. It reads the air that comes in, and then will control, adjust the engine to be able to, how well it burns or not burns to make your engine run well. So if this goes bad, you're going to get bad fuel economy, and you're going to also be sluggish in your driving. So you take a new one. If you need to replace it, you just put it back in, or put it in, and make sure it gets in there and that the O-ring didn't get crimped in there. And then take the two screws, the two screws, tighten them back into place, and then hit the clamp and clamp them all back together. And that's how you replace your mass airflow sensor on your Toyota Camry of a 2012. Thanks for watching.